Hi everyone, welcome back to CAD Magics. If you've ever needed to create circular text for stamps, company seals, or logo designs in AutoCAD, you probably know it can be slow and frustrating using manual methods. Creating individual letters and rotating them to multiple angles one by one. This will certainly kill our valuable time. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple and professional way to create perfectly curved text directly inside AutoCAD. And to make things even better, I'll also give you a free LISP file that automates the entire process in just a few clicks. This will save you time, improve accuracy, and make your drawings look more professional. So let's jump right in and see how it works. First of all, let's learn how can we create the curved or circular text in AutoCAD. The command we will use is ArcText command. Let's say we will create this stamp here in AutoCAD. Draw a circle for the outline of the stamp. Let's say the diameter of the circle is 30 mm. Offset it for 1 mm for clear border. Let's offset this circle inside for 5 mm and trim the bottom part to change the circle into an arc. That's because ArcText command needs an arc to make the curved text, it won't work for circle. Now we can see an arc here. To put this text, your company name in curved pattern, we will use this ArcText command. So let's type the command ArcText and press enter. Then click on the arc we just created. We can see a dialog box for an arc-aligned text setup. From here we can choose the property of the curved text we are going to use for our logo. For now we will just type the text as shown here, but while doing real project, we have to type the actual name of the project. So, let's type text height, let's say 2. We can play with these options as per our requirements. For now, let's click OK. We can see we have created the curved title text. We can also reposition this text by dragging by this grip points on the curve line. And, for changing the offset, we can click at this grip point and manage as required. Or, if we need to change the font and any other properties, we can again type the command ArcText and this time click on this text. Then we can make our necessary changes and click OK. Then we can delete this curve and replace it with the real circle. Similarly, we can repeat the process for this bottom curve text. We can just type A for ArcText command and press enter and click 3 points here like this. We can see an arc is formed with same radius. Then let's type ArcText command and click on this arc. Let's type location, pin code. We can change these defaults if we like. Otherwise we can just click on OK. And if we need to readjust them, we have to again type the ArcText command and select the curved text which needs the change. So this is the process we can use to create the curved text in AutoCAD, which will prevent us from wasting our valuable time by manual effort. But I have brought an additional method for doing this same task with the help of LISP file. That too with very ease. And I am sure you might want to have that. So, let me show you how we can do it. Here, I have brought a LISP file. And I have named it as CAD Magics, which is of course my YouTube channel name, and in brackets we can see curved text. Let's copy it with Ctrl+C. Then type AP and press enter at AutoCAD. Right-click somewhere here and click Paste. Give the administrative permission. Then select it and click at this load. We can see our CAD Magics LISP file is successfully loaded here. Now close this dialog box. But before we jump into the bonus LISP command, have you subscribed to the channel yet? I create practical AutoCAD tutorials to help you level up your drafting skills one step at a time. There are already many useful tutorials on the channel, and even more are on the way, so make sure you don't miss them. I put a lot of effort into bringing these helpful tutorials to you, so if you find this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Now, by loading the LISP file, we have activated cText command in our AutoCAD file. So, again, let's make this same stamp with this LISP command. In this command, it is not compulsory that the line should be curve only. It can be any arc, polyline, or circle. So let's make a copy of these circles first. We will make curve text in two different ways with this Lisp. Now, let's type C text and press enter. We can type the text size. Let's type 2 and press enter. It says to specify or select the text string. If we have already typed the required text like we can see one here, we just click at this text. And next step, select the curve. We can select any circle here and arrange later on. For now, let's click this smallest circle. We can see curve text with the contents we have selected, which moves along with our mouse cursor. Do not click anywhere yet. Just try moving and rotating. We can adjust the spacing between these letters with these keys from our keyboard. Right key for increasing and left one is for decreasing the space between these letters. Similarly, for offset distance from the circle, we can just press plus key or minus key multiple times. Then, after having the text in the required position, click the mouse left key. Again, let's do for bottom curve text with another method. Let's type C text command and give the text size. Let's say 1.5 and press enter. This time for text string we don't have text to be selected. So, we will type the text directly. Let's type location, pin code. And press enter. Again, let's adjust this text with these keys in our keyboard. Just click the mouse, once done positioning. And this texts are individual letters but in grouped form. If we want to separate them, we can just select it and click at this ungroup icon. And one more thing, this text style comes from the standard text we have set for our drawing. We can change the standard text by typing ST and press enter. We can add a new text style and set it as current and close. Then the curve text will be in that style. So let's quickly repeat it again. C text, enter. Text height, 1, enter. Type the text, enter. Select the curve. Arrange and position the text, and click. We have the different curve text now. And, as I have already said, it is not compulsory for a line to be circle. We can use this Lisp command for any type of polylines. And that's all. I hope this tutorial and Lisp file will somehow be useful for drafters and designers. You can simply click on the link shared below to download the Lisp file. And I still have hundreds of useful Lisp files at my backup. As you can see, my channel is very new. Do not hesitate to support by sharing. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions or need more clarification, drop your views in the comments below and we can discuss. For now, thanks for watching, and keep drafting passion alive.